Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Jhay Anne, and in today's video I will be doing some unboxing. This is a small postage I got from Pandahall Selected. Thank you so much, Pandahall Selected, and let me share with you what did I pick and what is the Pandahall Selected about. So Pandahall Selected is an online retail supermarket of handmade jewelry materials created by Pandahall. So if you are into beads, you want to find some jewelry supplies, materials, anything, some jewelries, go ahead and check their website. I will put the link on the description box below. Go ahead and check it. So yeah, let me show you what's in this post. So I have some scissor here. This is my scissor, and let's open it. So we have smaller items here. These are beads. So this is all that we have. First, oh wow, you have this colorful, flowery, fluty. This is like clay beads. That's the first thing that I found. Next is I have this what do you call this? I think this is some stainless. This is some stainless chain. We have a nice packaging. Next is we have, this is gold. This is a gold stainless chain. Next is we have silver chain. I will open it for you. And we have this blue beads. I think this is some kind of gemstone beads. And then next is we have some charms. Next, let me show you what is written on the paper. So we have, this is the clay bag. This is, there are no names on the item. So I got like 5 sets. This is actually 5 strands of these gemstones. So I will open the small boxes for you, so you will see what is really in the box. Yeah, that's really quick unpacking. So yeah, I really like their packaging. They have like really nice boxes, so you can store your things and organize. So we have this, it was in the plastic, and then in the box, and then in this, okay, I can open it in another plastic bag. So yes, we have this. Ooh, so like moon. Ooh, camera. Yes, like we have nice, I think these are stainless charms. And ooh, wow. So I have this. Next, let me show you this one. Oh, this is stainless chain with some charm letters. So yes, it's actually with what do you call that, lobster and gloss. It's already with lock. You don't have to cut it and then put the lock and everything, so it's already done. So that's what we have. And then we have the silver keychain numbers, and then these letters, 26 letters. Then I will show you this also, another chain. These are golden chains. Okay. So much packaging. And yeah, like for everything they have like in a small bag. This one. We have this. It's actually with keychain. Oh wow. Okay. This one is nice. So those are what I have. So yeah, that's all that I got. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video. My next two videos that I will make, I'm going to make some like DIY jewelries or anything. So yeah, see you again on my next video. Bye bye.